Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a blog in Wix using your phone. First, download the Wix Owner app, available on both iOS and Android devices. Once installed, either log in to your existing Wix account or easily create a new one. Next, navigate to your site dashboard and add the blog feature. You can then select from dozens of professional templates to kickstart your blog's design, ensuring it looks fantastic right from your mobile device. Now, let's create your very first blog post directly from your phone. Open the Wix Owner app and tap the prominent plus icon to begin a new entry. You can easily add a captivating title and write your main content using the mobile editor. Enhance your post by inserting photos or videos straight from your phone's camera roll, making your content visually appealing. Remember to use the built-in formatting options for clear readability. Customizing your blog's look and feel is simple on your phone. Within the Wix Owner app, you can easily modify your blog's layout, choosing from several design options. Experiment with different fonts, color schemes, and background images to match your brand. Organize your content effectively by creating and assigning categories and tags. Always take a moment to preview your blog's appearance to ensure everything looks perfect before it goes live. Once your post is ready, publishing it is incredibly straightforward. With just one tap, your new blog entry will be live for the world to see. Don't forget to share your fresh content across your social media channels directly from the app to reach a wider audience. Actively engage with your readers by responding to comments and feedback. You can also track your blog's performance and visitor statistics right from your phone, helping you grow your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.